NAF Group is one of the most prestigious and experienced commercial and industrial conglomerates in Bangladesh today. The group took off from the incipient period after establishment of NAF Overseas Private Limited. Short period of time, and have been able to emerge as a promoter of international standard of business houses and industrial enterprises founded on the principles of engineering and financial integrity, with a group of highly skilled technical personnel and professionals. Since inception, NAF Group has been actively contributing to the national as well as global economy by way of effective utilization of resources, using raw materials, production and marketing high-quality products. NAF is now operating with 5 vital enterprises of highly esteemed commercial and technological superiority, having profound degree of specialization in the field of real estate, industrial ventures, commercial enterprises, garments, agro and fisheries, distribution of top-notch garments and textile equipment and hotel business. Through forward and backward linkage, the enterprises of NAF Group have encouraged development of various industrial and commercial units in the country to improve their productivity and efficiency through its one-stop shop total business solution. NAF Group has undertaken and successfully executed various projects over the last 30 years, creating a great brand image. Furthermore, the business is predominantly renowned for pioneering state-of-the-art technology in embroidery art in Bangladesh.